The organism which cause disease in plant and animals are called as pathogens, vector, insect, worms. Pathogens. Next question. Diseases are broadly grouped into infectious and non-infectious disease. In the list given below, identify the infectious disease: cancer, influenza, allergy, smallpox. Cancer and allergy are non-infectious, but smallpox and influenza are infectious disease. Next question. The disease chikungunya is transmitted by dash. The disease chikungunya is transmitted by house flies, Aedes mosquitoes, cockroach, female anopheles. Aedes mosquito. Next question. The gene causing cancer are dash. Structural genes, expressor gene, oncogenes, regulatory genes. The gene causing cancer are oncogenes. Onco means cancer, Department of Oncology. In malignant tumors, the cells proliferate, grow rapidly, and move to other parts of body to form new tumors. This stage of disease is called as the metagenesis, metastasis, mitosis, teratogenesis. In malignant tumors, the cells proliferate, grow rapidly, and move to the other parts of the body to form new tumors. This stage of disease is called as metagenesis, metastasis. Option is correct, metastasis. Which option is correct? Metastasis. Metastasis. Jani, where are you from? Next question. AIDS is caused by HIV. Among the following, which one is not a mode of transmission of HIV? Transfusion of contamination blood, sharing the infected needles, shaking hands with infected person. Next option, sexual contact with infected person. Which option? Shaking hands with infected person. Smack in a drug obtained from dash. Next question. Smack, S-M-A-C-K. Smack is a drug obtained from the dash. Latex of Papaver somniferum, leaves of cannabis sativa, flowers of dhatura, fruits of erythroxyl coca. Smack is a drug which is obtained from dash. Papaver somniferum. Next question. The substance produced by a cell or viral infection that can protect other cells from further infection is dash. The substance produced by a cell in viral infection that can protect other cells from further infection is dash. Serotonin, colostrum, interferon, histamine. Interferon is a protein which prevents a healthy cell from infection by a virus. Those are joined, do subscribe this channel for getting new video related board exam class 12. And next question, antibodies present in colostrum which protect newborn from certain disease is of dash. Is G type, A type, D type, E type. Antibodies present in colostrum is A type. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline and non-adrenaline. The component causing this could be dash: nicotine, tannic, curamine, catenin. Nicotine. Which of the following is not a lymphoid tissue? Spleen, tonsil, pancreas, thymus. Pancreas is not a lymphoid tissue. Antivenom against snake poison contain dash. Antivenom against snake poison contain antigen antibody complex, antibodies, enzymes. Enzymes. Mr. Napoleon. Hemojoin is a dash. Precursor of hemoglobin. Toxin released from Haemophilus infected cells. Toxin released from Plasmodium infected cells. Hemojoin is a toxin which is released from Plasmodium infected cells. Next question. Name the disease the patient is suffering from. If the person is suppressed the ELISA test, he was found in positive. So the disease the patient is suffering from? AIDS. What is the causative organism? HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Which cells of the body are affected by the pathogen? T lymphocyte. Where are beta cell, B cell and T cells formed? How do they differ from each other? B cell are formed in bone marrow, T cell are formed in thymus. B cell produce antibodies and T cell produce help in B cells in doing this. Next question. BT cotton is not dash. A GM plant, insect resistance, a bacterial gene expression system, resistance to all pesticide. BT cotton means Bacillus thuringiensis. It is resistant to all pesticides because of the gene incorporated from BT. Next question. C-peptide of human insulin is dash. C-peptide of human insulin is dash. A part of a mature insulin molecule responsible for formation of disulfide bridge removed during maturation of proinsulin to insulin, responsible for its biological activity. Papun? removed during maturation of pro-insulin to insulin. Next question. अच्छा ठंडा सुनाते बसवे ना को
नहीं पड़ेगा
उनके लाइव क्लास चलते बस और next question. C peptide of human insulin is dash a part of mature insulin molecule responsible for formation of a disulfide bridge. Next question. Removed during maturation of pro-insulin to insulin, responsible for its biological activity. Removed during maturation of pro-insulin to insulin. Next question. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is dash. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is an antacid, an enzyme used to treat arthritis, used to treat emphysema, used to treat emphysema. GEAC stands for dash. GEAC stands for Genome Engineering Action Committee, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, GEAC. A probe which is a molecule used to locate specific sequence in a mixture of DNA or RNA molecule could be dash. A single-stranded RNA, a single-stranded DNA, either RNA or DNA can be as a DNA but not as RNA. Either RNA or DNA. The site of production of ADA in the body is dash. Lymphocyte, erythrocyte, blood plasma, osteocyte. Lymphocytes are involved in the secretion of ADA. A protoxin is dash. A protoxin is a primitoxin, a denatured toxin, toxin produced by protozoa, inactive toxin. The trigger for activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is dash. BT. Acidic pH of stomach, high temperature, alkaline pH of gut, mechanical action of the insect gut, alkaline pH of gut. The first clinical gene therapy was done for the treatment of dash, AIDS, cancer, cystic fibrosis, SID, SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency resulting from deficiency of ADA, SCID. Silencing of a gene can be achieved through the use of dash, RNA only, antisense RNA only, both RNA and antisense RNA, none of these, both RNA and antisense RNA.